Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I filmed a Eid makeup tutorial. I'm doing a foundation review video on the foundation I'm wearing. It's on the new L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. So if you guys want to check out that video, that'll be up maybe after this video or before this video, I'm not sure. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Start off, I'm just going to use the e.l.f. eyelid primer. And oh, I hate when I get on my lashes. I really did get on my lashes today. Let's start building up some shadows. I'm gonna go in with the shade Cayenne. Cane. I call it cane pepper when I get it from Pack and Save. You know, I'm like, can I have some cane pepper? So I'm just gonna throw that into my crease and just start creating a bit of a shape, bit of a gradient. I'm gonna go in with the shade Ashes. It's like this purple. Place that on the outer edge of my eye. Bring it in. I actually don't know if I have a blue that matches this like indigo shade. And the brush I'm using is the Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer. I want to mix these two together. Oh yeah, that works. If I mix them together, it comes out with a legit color. I want to get a concealer and just cut my crease real quick. Just so the blues show up a bit better. I just like to blend out the edge a little bit so it doesn't just end with like harsh concealer. By the way, to cut my crease, I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige on a little flat brush. Anastasia called Deep something, Deep Purple. And then I've also got Heirloom and Azure. So I'm thinking this one and this one. You know, maybe you can add all three. So, I think all of these are available individually, so it's just all the Anastasia shadows. The Shadow Couture palette, now you don't have to have this palette, it was limited edition, but they do sell them individually. Or, use whatever you have. Azure, I'm going to use Azure and Heirloom. Okay, so I'll go in with like a little densely packed pencil brush. This is by e.l.f. Blending Eye Brush. So I'm just going to chuck some of this into the outer corner. It's like a really dark purple. I'm going to go in with the shade Azure. Use our fingers. I know it's coming off really blue, but don't worry. We're going to add the other blue on top, like that purple. Sometimes I have to look up and see if my camera gave up on me or if it's still recording. Okay, then I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is Deep Purple in the Self-Made palette by Anastasia. You don't have to have these exact shades. Just use any purple, any blue. I'm just going to pack on that color so it's coming off more of an indigo blue purple. And then I'm just going to blend out the edges. Don't worry if it looks crazy. We will add lashes. And I actually I think I want to deepen up the edges because I feel like it's not dark enough for my liking. I'm going to grab Spirit Rock from the Anastasia Self-Made palette. It's just like a black, but it's got some shimmers in it. I'm just going to chuck it into the outer corner. Just to really deepen it up. Probably come off as a little bit, oh that is so pretty. It's going to come off as a little bit more blue. I just want to quickly go back and grab I think that brown that we were using, Cayenne, from the Naked Basics palette, Naked Heat palette, just to add that haze of brown back in. Just gonna add that onto the top of my eyeshadow and just blend it so it looks like it could have came from there. And we'll also add some of this purple in as well. So this will be right at the very edge of the blue. This was the shade Ashes, by the way. I'm going to go in with the shade Cayenne first and just really smoke out the bottom lash. This shade here, which is Ashes, and just chuck that in my outer corner my lower lashes and just bring it in. Who had that black color? Okay, so then we're going to go back in with Spirit Rock and just put that in my, I guess, very edge of my lash line. Or just pretty much line my lashes with it. I'm going to add more of Spirit Rock onto my eyeball, kind of on like the outer half, just so it looks more blue. Oh no, that was a lot of Spirit Rock. Yeah, just so the edge kind of goes like more navy blue. We'll use the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Smoky Storm. Actually, I wish I had a gold one, but I just have Smoky Storm and Kitten Karma. They're both very glittery. Maybe I'll just do Smoky Storm. I don't know how I feel about what I just did, but we're just going to keep going. So I'm going to use the Balm Cosmetics eyeliner in Schwing. So this is the Maybelline Great Lash and Waterproof. I'm just going to apply it to my bottom lashes. I'm going to go in with the lashes. These are by Shayne or Shayne Cosmetics in the style Marilyn. They're kind of fluffy, they've got gaps in between the lashes so you can still see like your eyeshadow look in between. I'm just gonna hide my lash band using the eyeshadow Spirit Rock. Oof, can't use that brush. I'm just gonna use the ColourPop Brow Pencil. I would have rather filled my eyes. Actually, my eyebrows are really dark. I really need to get my brows done. Story of my life. This is the Maybelline Brow Jammer. Just quickly fill that in. Let's go in with some full-on bronzing because I'm so pale. Very pale. I'm gonna grab the shade Havana. Like really grab it, you know? But I literally need some bronze today. I really don't like using cool toned bronzers or cool toned contours. I know it's what we should use. Maybe I'll just chuck some of this in there now. But personally, I just don't like the way it looks on my face. So I'm just gonna blend everything out. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild blush in Pearlescent Pink. Ooh, okay, so that's where we're at. I went in with my Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Dripping Gold and Bubbly. This is that glow kit. Just because it's really pretty on its own without having to add like Fix Plus or something to it. Whereas my Emery's one, I feel like I need to add Fix Plus to really make it pop. I'm gonna grab my Essence Lip Liner in Soft Berry. So I've got the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Bow and Arrow. Do I have a lip brush? Don't worry, I got a lip brush. Is that rain? I can't tell. Yes, it's rain. I don't know if my mom's gonna watch this, but thank you, Ma, for letting me borrow your dress. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Oh, dirty hands, dirty hands. Thumbs up. And leave any requests down below. Eid Mubarak to everyone who will be celebrating with their families. Eat heaps, spend lots of time with your loved ones, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Buy my hair up actually. If you guys Could do one of these, you know? Are we still recording? Yes.